Hi everyone, it's Emma from Misfit Gardening, and today I'm showing you guys a quick video on how to increase your squash harvest by pollinating your squash flowers by using a cheap paintbrush here. So first things first is know your flowers. And hi teddy bear. This one down here, if I can move Teddy out of the way, thank you. This is a female flower because it's got the fruit at the end of it, at the base there. And this is a male flower because it doesn't have anything like swelling at the base. Got another, come on Teddy, mind out of the way. Got a couple of female flowers up here. So there's a big swelling at the base there. And you can see there's plenty of pollen in here too. So to pollinate your flowers, we're going to take a soft brush, and it doesn't have to be expensive. This one was just super cheap, but it's really soft. And we're just going to go inside the flower, and we're going to pick up pollen on the brush, yeah. And then we're going to take this brush with the pollen, I'm going to pop it into another flower. Very gentle. And now we're picking up more pollen from another plant. And we can pop that into another flower. Now, I don't mind having cross-pollinated squashes, because all the ones that I wanted to save seed from, I've already saved. This one's a little harder. I'm just gently in the flower and kind of rotating. You can see this is like laden with pollen. So I'm just kind of very gently rolling, sort of twisting around, making sure that pollen's getting all over. I'm going to go back to the original flower. If you want to keep your plants true to type, then you only want to be pollinating the plants of the same flower and the same plant together. So for example, this squash here that's got the spotted leaves, I would only want to be pollinating those flowers between them. I wouldn't want to be mixing them between the squashes that I've got on this side and the multiple squashes on this side. But I'm not too fussed. I want to get as much plants harvested this year as I can from these vines. So that's all I've been doing to kind of help with the pollination. I know a lot of people are having some problems this year with pollinating, and I wanted to offer this as a solution for people to be able to get a better harvest from their squashes. So I hope that helps, and please let me know in the comments whether you've tried pollinating your squashes before, and if you're going to give it a go this year. Until next time, I'm Emma from Misfit Gardening. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and hit subscribe so you can stay up to date on all my new videos. Thanks, have a great day, bye bye.